It's the unboxing and review of the Opsupi multifunctional car safety lock. So I got this one because it looked like it was the best out of all the different locks. This is the best one that is anti-theft. It makes so it's very difficult for perpetrators to steal your vehicle in the event that they're trying to steal it. And let's open this up, see what we got. Okay, so it's just the device and some keys. Okay, so looks like you got this mechanism here that actually turns, and that's where your brake pedal shaft is, and you just put this in and then pull up to lock it into place. And this is going to be at your floorboard towards your firewall. Keep it just holds it in place. There's no way to steal it. You can't press in on the brake, so you can't start the vehicle. So let's go ahead and install it. See how it looks. Okay, so the way this works is here you're going to make sure that is in that position before you start, and then you put this over the pedal, and then take the slot over the shaft and push that down as far as you can get it onto the floorboard kick panel there, and then you rotate this so this is facing down, and then while you're holding on the panel, or you use your foot there to press on that, you pull this out until it stops. And now it's locked. I can't remove this. You can't depress the pedal to be able to engage the vehicle, because I can't start the vehicle unless I depress the brake. So this is in fact the best way to keep someone from stealing your car. Yeah, it comes with 3 keys, so it's easy to just undo. Simply put the key in, turn the handle, pull it off. There you go.